Hey, what's up guys? Tonight I'm gonna go over a quick video on how to sharpen a knife. This is a Kephart BK62. It is made by K-Bar. It's a full tang knife. Gotta see that spine goes all the way through the handle. Full tang. Alright, this is not a foldable or collapsible knife. I love this knife. I can go over it in detail if anybody would like me to, but to stick to the video, it's just like with the axe. You're going to find, it's going to apply a little pressure, all right? You're going to find that natural, there's going to be a natural gap, and you're just going to apply a little pressure and raise. Now, you can go to the edge of the knife with a magic marker, and you can color in that so you know that you're shaving off material right there on the edge. But you're going to find it. I always start with my end first. You're going to want to use if your knife's pretty sharp, you're going to want to use the smoother side of your stone, and make sure your stone is wet first. After you've done the end 5 times, we'll come down here. And just kind of remember where you're at on the knife and just follow through. I'm going to do the very end down here. Try and get some of that. Then I'm going to take it, flip it over. I'm going to do it again. Now you handle this however you want to. Just switch hands. It's a little difficult. You know, I'm not a lefty, but get the end down there. Now, I hope you guys are able to see that. So with this knife, with the way this knife is designed, this is it's based loosely off, or not loosely, this is the closest replica of a Horace Kephart that you can get, grandfather of the Smoky Mountains. I need to clean it up a little bit more. I'll probably go over and do a cleaning a knife video. But so there's not much play here. I wish I had another knife close by, but there's not much play on this one. I just know that I need to lean it up and get in to the action, to the blade. Now on another knife, you'll have maybe just a little bit of play, so when you push down, there'll be just a little bit of level difference, and that's your blade. And you follow through just like we did. Anyways, hope this helps. You guys got any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer anything. Make sure your stone is wet before. Your stone should always be wet before you try to sharpen any of your tools. Take care.